This has been a month of mixed results for some Shiba Inu investors. On one side, the token has received several positive catalysts, including multiple exchange listings, multiple big companies accepting SHIB as payment, and announcing a partnership with a AAA game studio. But on the other side, some people have expressed their concerns that these catalysts have been having little to no impact on the price of Shiba Inu. It's as if there's an invisible downward pressure which keeps Shiba Inu's price from climbing. Today, guys, we're going to have a balanced discussion where I'll review some of these positive catalysts, and we'll also discuss exactly what has been suppressing the price of Shiba Inu token so far. Welcome back to SHIB Planet, everyone. This is Ace. Here on this channel, I cover the full Shiba Inu ecosystem and other related tokens. I provide information, insight, and analysis. I'm not a financial advisor, and these videos are not financial advice. If this type of content is the type that you like, remember to leave a thumbs up for the SHIB army, as this really helps the videos reach a wider audience. Alright guys, let's do this. Okay guys, let's quickly summarize the recent positive catalyst for Shiba Inu. As you know, recently Shiba Inu signed a contract with AAA game studio PlaySide for the development of a mobile game which will target the masses outside of crypto. And this inevitably is going to rise to a blockchain-based game, which is going to be a play-to-earn game based on the Shiboshi NFTs. And also, just recently, as you may have heard, Shiba Inu was accepted as a form of payment across multiple big balance sheet companies, including AMC and Newegg, for example, just to name a couple, and also Travala.com if you have been watching the news. Also, even though Shiba Inu is already on all top exchanges, there are many more which continue to list Shiba Inu almost every week, most recently including Kraken and Bybit, which both have very high quality criteria. And who can ignore all those announcements of all those apparent whales who seemingly buy billions of SHIB every week? And to top things off, BitPay now supports Shiba Inu across its platform or its portfolio of merchants. And here's a tweet from Shaitoshi. He goes on to say, "A wonderful way to end the week. Thanks BitPay. How many merchants can now accept Shiba Inu?" And there's their logo. And yet, in spite of all this positivity, there seems to be this seemingly giant invisible force which counteracts any potential gains which SHIB seems to receive. And that is exactly what I'm going to break down for you guys today. Okay guys, let's start with the obvious one. And this phenomenon is not affecting Shiba Inu only, it's affecting the entire cryptoverse. Basically, the global crypto market has been on a sharp decline for the past month. In fact, the chart here over here, it shows that over the past month, the market reached its peak of nearly 3 trillion in early November. But since then, most major cryptos have been on a downward trend up until about today, where it's sitting at about $2.2 trillion, which is a massive drop of over $700 billion in less than a month. Now, the main causes of this have been uncertainty, which has been caused by various government regulations in the US and China. But let's dig a little deeper for Shiba Inu. Let's take a look at the blockchain data. This over here is an on-chain analysis of Shiba Inu. In summary, Shiba Inu at the moment is bearish across 3 out of 4 on-chain signals. This signal over here is kind of like a blockchain version of the fear and greed index, which you guys have come to know. But it shows the actual behavior rather than just sentiments. Now, let me describe each signal for you guys in detail. So the first one here is network growth. Shiba Inu's growth rate at the moment has slowed down to about 2.45%, which is considered bearish. This metric here, it basically means that at the moment, there are more wallet addresses which are choosing to sell their positions compared to new wallet addresses. And as I said, this is considered bearish momentum. And under the next signal here, which is called in the money signal, Shiba Inu is currently down about 1.23% over the past 7 days. This metric over here basically tells us that there are slightly less people who are profitable at the moment compared to about a week ago. Then there's this metric here called concentration. The concentration signal basically means whales who hold balances of 1% or more SHIB at the moment. And at the moment it's neutral. So that's pretty good because it means that they're holding strong. Basically, if they're buying, then it's considered a bullish signal. And if they're selling, then it's considered bearish. And on this, I'll speak a little bit more. I'd also like to let you guys know that Minted Crypto USA is now having a massive 30% off sale off their entire collection. You can support your favorite crypto project by purchasing realistic physical replica tokens from Minted Crypto USA. They manufacture high quality, durable quality tokens which can make a really great gift for crypto holders this holiday season. They're great to add to your collection to show your crypto buddies which crypto projects you are proud to support. The sale only lasts 1 week up until the 14th of December. They've also reduced their expedited shipping costs, and any US deliveries placed before the sale ends will arrive before Christmas. I'll leave a link in the description below. Very often you'll see news articles with headlines which say that a whale has bought hundreds of billions or even trillions of SHIB. And that's not always what it seems, because if you read the wording carefully in the article itself, you'll often find that sometimes it's actually just a large transfer rather than a purchase. So kind of like you moving your funds from a checking to a savings account. Also, sometimes the wording can also throw you off and make it seem like it's a single purchase. But in actual fact, they would have gradually accumulated up to, for example, 1 trillion SHIB. But it's only the final balance which gets reported, and it makes it seem like it's a single purchase. So basically, in general, just be wary of clickbait, or even better, just trust blockchain numbers before you trust your favorite journalist. And finally, the final metric is large transactions. This one is down about 2.25%. Now this metric over here, it basically tracks institutional type investors who make transactions of over $100,000. Now basically there have been less and less transactions which happen at this level over the past 2 to 3 weeks. So overall, SHIB's momentum is considered in the bearish category. And not surprisingly, currently less than 57% of Shiba Inu holders are in profit at today's price point. In fact, the data goes on to show that most people bought heavily actually between the 35 and 36,000 unit mark. But anyway, okay, before I scare you guys away with the figures, let me show you some reverse social signals. Now, according to Motley Fool, Shiba Inu's popularity can actually work against it in times like this. Have a listen to this. According to the Motley Fool, popularity and visibility can work against SHIB. Up until now, SHIB has been aided by a growing number of cryptocurrency exchanges listing its token for trade. More listings means improved liquidity, greater awareness of the coin and project, and often a larger community. They go on to say that what's often overlooked with cryptocurrencies which have recently stepped into the spotlight is that they almost always benefit from an inherent buy bias. Although most cryptocurrency exchanges do support short selling, digital currencies, this function is typically only allowed for the best known tokens. And then I'll skip to the next bit. It says here, but as Shiba Inu grows in popularity, the avenues to bet against it also increase with it. With each new exchange listing comes another opportunity for pessimists to place their bets against the high-flying Shiba Inu. And there you have it on that side. Okay guys, so now that you know the why, the question is, does this deter me, and should you be also worried? My personal opinion and answer is not in the least bit. I still see Shiba Inu as performing very well among the other top tier cryptos. We're still ranked between 12 and 13 on any given day, and this has been quite consistent with the other cryptos too, which have also largely held their positions. Other cryptos have also had their share of catalysts, which have also seemingly been ignored by the price. For example, Solana, which has grown quite significantly in the NFT and gaming space and also in the DeFi space, and yet its price has also been struggling. For me personally, what makes a project endure is its commitment to innovate and to keep building. And that's why I made this Shiba Inu Roadmap video, and I'll put the link in the description below. It basically shows people exactly what we can expect down the road. And there's actually a lot more people and organizations who are rooting for SHIB to succeed. Take these large exchanges, for example, Coinbase, Kraken, Bitmart, and Crypto.com. What they're doing is they have publicly put Shiba Inu as a selling point on their main apps. To me, they obviously have data to support this decision, and so do I. And that's why, guys, that's why I keep holding. Let me know in the comment section how long you guys intend to hold Shiba Inu for. And that's a good point to end a video. Okay guys, if you're interested in calculating the profit and loss potential of not only Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens, but for virtually any crypto, I have made my full set of crypto price simulators available. Basically, they allow you to simulate the price of any crypto by simply adjusting the market cap and circulating supply, so you can see the impact on the balance of your tokens in real time. I basically use it as a forecasting tool and also to run simulations for my videos. I will leave a link to the website, which has a demo video which you can watch in the description below. And that's it from me, everyone. Remember to leave a like and also a comment, and also consider sharing this video with the rest of the Shiba Inu community on any social media of your preference. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Ace. Peace.